let's make some Cajun shrimp. I'm gonna show you how to put together this Cajun shrimp bowl. All right, my griddle is hot, clean, and now I'm just using a little bit of avocado spray oil to get this thing ready for our cook. One thing I really love about my griddle cooking is how easy and quick a fish dish or a seafood dish comes together, because you know it takes no time to cook shrimp at all. So let's put this together. And the one thing I'm gonna do today is I'm actually gonna be using palmini Spanish rice for this Cajun shrimp bowl, because it is low cal, low carb, and super delicious. But if you wanna use whatever rice, grain, quinoa that you wanna have for this dish, it can be substituted. So I've got the griddle on low, and I'm gonna put my shrimp and my rice on here at the exact same time, because I'm just warming this up and the shrimp will take no time to cook. So let's get this cook going. All right, my rice is down. Let's put the shrimp down. Ow. And I'm just gonna use a little bit of Cajun seasoning on my shrimp. And look they're already turning pink. This is gonna take no time. These shrimp are turning pink already, so quick. Literally, this will take 3 to 5 minutes to actually cook, and then maybe another 2 or 3 minutes to put together. I've already made my sides. I've chopped everything up because I knew I would not have time as soon as this stuff hit the griddle to do anything else. Now, I'm not sure if you do this, if you are a griddle owner or anything that is hooked up to propane, but I always bleed my lines. So I just turned off my propane tank. I closed it off, let this all still run, and now I'm good to go. This is off, it's just warm. Let's build our Cajun shrimp bowl. I'm gonna start by filling my bowl with some shredded lettuce in one corner, and then I'm bringing in that palmini rice, and I'm using half of the package for this one bowl. I've pre-made some delicious pico de gallo as well. I've got some corn. Now, optional, you could warm that corn up on the griddle as well. And then I'm going in with my Cajun shrimp on top. Oh my goodness, I'm hungry already. I've also made pickled onions. I really like adding those. You can just add regular red onions or omit this part if you don't like those. And to give it a nice finish here, I'm gonna add a little bit, well, not a little bit, half of an avocado. It's that easy to put together a shrimp bowl. So many delicious flavors. And to finish it off, what I like to do is add a little lime crema. I mean, how much do we need? I don't know. Lots. Thanks so much for watching The Silly Kitchen. I hope there is a shrimp bowl in your future. See you next time. I better take a bite, just so you know that I actually eat the stuff I cook. Oh my God. Sorry. I meant 2 bites.